On the third day of our 2-week holiday in France, we decided to roam around Pantheon, Luxembourg Garden, and its surrounding area in Paris. I'm still getting used to in driving on the other side of the road and very tight parking spaces, especially here at Indigo Parking in Rousseau-Flot. The driver of the Volkswagen Polo in front of me is having a difficulty in trying to exit the building. As you notice, all the other cars have actually avoided being at the back of this Volkswagen Polo because he's taken too long to exit the building. As he is clearly having difficulty in trying to get out, I have decided, like all the other drivers in front of me, that I'm gonna take the right lane. So, when that white car moved, I've decided to transfer over. So when he saw me switch to the other lane, he saw it as an opportunity to back off and, unfortunately, hitting my car while he is reversing. Everyone inside the car, my whole family, was shocked that this accident has happened while we're just about to exit this parking space. And I have to get out of the car to assess the damage. And I have to talk to the other driver and see what he's up to. And I'm not speaking any English. I'm not speaking any French. And everyone was just doing sign language at this point, which is quite funny thinking about this now. And I'm working with old people, and when I see that it's an old man trying to be independent driving around Paris, my heart sank. And it's a good thing that the damage is not that big. So there's nothing else we can do. Accidents do happen. I have to take a picture of his license plate, and the wife here has also taken a picture of his license plate. On this angle, you can see the paint of my car on his back bumper. At this point, we're just happy that the damage is not that big. It's just a scratch on the paint. So we've decided to just let Grandpa go. Somebody did witness the event and tried to check on both of us and did some more sign language. No French, no English necessary. Just shrug of the shoulder and smile. And at this angle, you can see the damages of the car of Grandpa here. And the right side of his car is really damaged badly. We hope that Grandpa here would continue to drive safely and not hurt himself or any other members of the public for that matter. I am very impressed at how the Tesla took that beating. Just a scratch on the paint there underneath, the panel didn't come off, and just a scratch on the Aero wheels, and it remains intact.